What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 message notification not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on messages app. Now here you can force swap your messages app. After force swap your messages app, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on sound and vibration. Now scroll down and here you can see the option do not disturb. Now click on do not disturb. Now if you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on general management and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.